Roll along, you BG Warriors. I Ziggy. So you just enrolled at Bowling Green State University, and you're majoring in secondary education, business, or pop culture. Yeah, pop culture. And you're ready for your first football game. My name is Jeff Lurks, and here's what you need to know and how to be a Bowling Green Falcons fan.
Located in Bowling Green, Ohio, the Falcons play with 11 other teams in the Mid-American Conference, or MAC for short, and are currently in the East Division. Their colors are orange and brown. Now, what about the hardware, you ask? Since being in the MAC in 1952, the school has won 12 conference titles, 4 divisional titles, and 1 small college national championship in 1959. Fun fact, the 1959 football team was the only team in the school's history to go undefeated with a record of 9-0. That's when Dwight D. Eisenhower was president, and Hawaii and Alaska became a state in the U.S. The most popular and traditional pastime as Bowling Green fans is a spirit crew named Six Sick. The Secretive Six are 6 students who are the official spirit crew for the university. What makes Six Sick so unique is their attire and anonymity. Dressed in pop culture masks and overalls, they are the oldest active group on campus. Their sole job? To promote school spirit at sporting events and other activities. What's cool is their identities remain a secret until the last home basketball game their senior year.
Alright, so we got the basics covered. Now, let's learn some legends in the school's history so we can start name dropping.
BGSU personnel is littered with exceptional athletes and great coaches, so we've narrowed it down to these guys. At number 4 is Don Nellen. This guy was a quarterback at BG and was a MAC champion in 1956. Few years after graduating, he became the head coach for BGSU in 1968 and was for 9 years. Nicknamed Master of the Upset after beating BYU in 1975 and Syracuse in 76. He went on to become the head coach for West Virginia, and in 21 years there had over 200 wins. At number 3, we got Urban Meyer. Yeah, this guy's got roots in BG as well. Meyer had his first head coaching job at BG for 2 seasons in 2001 to 02. In those 2 seasons, Meyer took the team to 17-6, where the previous 2 seasons combined were 7-15. His successful coaching career took off, winning at subsequent schools at Utah, Florida, and Ohio State, winning 3 national titles. Currently, he has over 175 wins in his 16 years of coaching. Insane props. At number 2, we have record setter number 18, Brian McClure. Quarterback for the Falcons from 1982 to 85, McClure was an offensive machine, setting school records of 900 completions and throwing for 10,280 yards. Under this guy's arm, the Falcons were 34-12. 2-time MAC Player of the Year, McClure was inducted to the BGSU Hall of Fame in 1991. Finally, our number 1 guy you need to know as a Bowling Green fan is Dwight Perry. This dude was legit. Coming off celebrating a national title win as the Ohio State backfield coach under Woody Hayes in 1954, Perry became the head coach of the Falcons for 10 years. In that time, Perry coached an overall record of 77 wins, 11 losses, 5 ties with 5 MAC championships. Oh, and remember the 1959 small college national championship I said earlier? Yeah, it was under this guy. When he retired from coaching in 1964, he had the highest winning percentage at the time with .864. To cap it all off, Perry was inducted into the College Football Hall of Fame in 1988.
So the stadium where you'll be cheering on your Falcons is actually named after this guy. That's how much he meant to the university and to the football program. Alright, this is the last piece of information that you need to know, and it's the most important in this video, and that is our rival.
You gotta know who to hate, right? BG's arch rivals are the Toledo Rockets. The 2 universities are separated by only 25 miles along Interstate 75. Dating back to 1919, the current record is tied at 39-39-4, with Toledo winning the last 8 years. The annual game is called the Battle of I-75, which has a trophy with the same name. In 1935, Toledo gave a beatdown to BG with a final score of 63-0 that prompted an on-field fight and fan riot, resulting in the two teams not playing each other until 1948.
Needless to say, both teams don't like each other, and the rivalry continues as it should be. Okay, let's recap. BG plays in the MAC. They have one small college national title. Sick is awesome. Dwight Perry is the godfather. And you really dislike the Toledo Rockets. So, support the orange and brown and enjoy your time at BGSU. Because when you receive your diploma and become a proud alum like this guy, class of '09, you'll be chanting, "Roll along, you BG Warriors," every Saturday. I Ziggy. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's Lurks lesson episode. Please subscribe to the channel and also leave comments on what other cool things BGSU fans really need to know. While you're at it, please leave some suggestions on what other fan bases I need to showcase next. All right, we'll see you guys next time.